Here's sugar, Buddha.
What are you doing?
Here's sugar to Buddha.
You're feeding sugar to Buddha?
Go Buddha.
Chloe, Buddha likes sugar?
Buddha likes sugar.
She does. Is Buddha a boy or a girl?
A girl.
Okay. Okay, go on. Feed sugar to Buddha.
How to walk?
No, it's a video. It's okay. Go ahead. Keep doing what you're doing. Ignore me. Go ahead. Go on.
We're eating sugar now.
Okay.
What's you doing?
Taking a video. Say bye.
Bye.